Configure Investor. Configure investor information. Welcome to RetirePlan.ca. In order to plan your retirement, we'll need to set up your information. Click the Investors button to get started. You will find setup in 4 groups. Let's start with General. Inflation rate is constant throughout the scenario. Choose your home province for tax purposes. And choose how often rebalancing occurs. Click Save. Returning back, choose Manage Investors. There are 4 tabs across the top. In Personal, enter details for you and your legal spouse if planning as a couple. Enter your birthday and expected retirement age or date. RetirePlan.ca plans by month, so exact dates are not required. Be sure to click Save for each investor. In the Retirement Expenses section, you choose expected monthly expenses in today's dollars. If an item is included in the miscellaneous box, leave the amount as 0 and check the box to remind you of this decision. Expenses are combined household expenditures. Remember to save. Continuing to life stages. Scenarios are planned in 4 life stages. Pre-retirement. Active retirement. As you slow down. And then assisted living. Each stage has its own target allocation. You may override the preset and enter your own, or choose from the presets. For the various stages, choose the number of days per year you will adventure by different methods, and the cost per day. Choose the age the oldest investor will be at the end of that life stage. You can model monthly expense variation at each stage by scaling the expenses. For example, insurance brackets, food consumption, medical expenses. Assisted living stage does not calculate regular monthly expenditures, but a single monthly charge. Be sure to save. RetirePlan.ca